Hey, this is going to be a video showing y'all how to export property lines from a county's QPublic website. So this is in Banks County. This is our parcel here. If you go to the QPublic and you find your parcel, you can select a selection tool up here. Every QPublic is pretty much the same, so it should have the similar selection tool. And then you can select which parcels you want to export. We'll grab these. You can click this Google Earth button, which exports it as a KML file. It will pop up that the KML has been downloaded. And then you want to go to your downloads, grab that, paste it into your folder. Then if you go into your CAD file, you can run map import, MAP import, enter. Find your folder, change it to KML file, select your KML file, import polygons as close polylines, then OK. Then if you zoom extents, looks like there's the property lines, and if you turn on the map, it should be in the correct location. There it is.